Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your PlayStation 5 not connecting to the internet. First, let's start with the basics. Power down your PlayStation 5 completely, not just rest mode, and then restart it. Do the same for your internet router and modem, unplugging them for about 30 seconds. Also, confirm that all your network cables, especially Ethernet, are firmly plugged in. Finally, quickly check the PlayStation network status online to see if there are any widespread service issues. Next, let's dive into your console's network settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection. You can try setting up your Wi-Fi connection manually, ensuring your password is correct. A common fix is to change your DNS settings to manual using public servers like Google DNS, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS, which are 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. For the most stable connection, always try a wired Ethernet cable. Your router's placement and settings can significantly impact your connection. If your PlayStation 5 is far from your router, try moving it closer to improve signal strength and reduce interference. Also, check if your router's firmware is up to date, as older versions can cause issues. Within your PlayStation 5's advanced network settings, you can experiment with Wi-Fi frequency bands, switching between 2.4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster speeds. If the problem persists, you might need more advanced steps. You can try rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database from safe mode, which can resolve underlying system issues. As a last resort, consider resetting your internet router to its factory default settings, but be aware this will erase all custom configurations. If all else fails, it's best to contact your internet service provider for network-specific help, or reach out to PlayStation support for console-related diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.